Today's vaccine is chili cheese dog balls by the perfect. Like, and link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check what. So let's into this vaccine 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, what's going on? Kim here. Happy Super Bowl Sunday to everybody. Go Rams. Tired of seeing the Patriots. Today, I am making something that would be fun and delicious for any Super Bowl party.
Yeah.
No matter who the team. I am making something similar to what I have made before. I made a really messy chili cheese dog casserole type dish. And this is similar, but it's not as messy. So today, we are making chili cheese dog boats. So it's similar, but it's nowhere near as messy. So these are our ingredients. I have hot dog buns. I was trying to find ones that weren't sliced at all, but today was not a good day for it. So I got the ones with the side slit because we're cutting the top. We need 8 slices, I have 12, some to eat, 8 slices of cheddar cheese. I have ballpark beef franks, you want 8 of them. I got one 15-ounce can of chili. I don't like the beans, your preference, so I got no beans. I have chopped up parsley. I've shown you guys how to chop it, but I have some freshly chopped parsley. We are going to use 1 teaspoon of garlic, and this is the already minced, so I don't have to do it, and 1/4 a cup of butter, and we're going to melt that. So this is everything we need to make this recipe. First thing, we're preheating to 350. Next, we have our baking dish. We're going to leave the buns together and just set them right in. And those right behind it. Next, you're just going to take a knife and you're going to cut not all the way to the edge and not all the way down. But you're going to cut like a rectangle. Once you have it cut, you're going to push it down and leave it in there. So I'm giving it a good press so I can make sure it's strong enough to hold the fillings. Alright, so you're going to do this with all of them. I'll make it closer so you can see. I've cut it long ways. And then take your finger and push it down. Make sure it's nice and firm in there so it can hold everything. Alright, so you're going to do that to all of them. Alright, here we go. They are all cut and ready. But now your next step, melt your butter. To the butter, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic and 1 tablespoon of parsley. We're going to mix these together. And you're going to brush the hot dog buns, including the hollowed insides, with your garlic butter. Okay, I made sure every inch of these were nice and coated. You're going to toast these in the oven for 5 minutes. You're going to make sure they become nice and sturdy to hold all of our toppings. Ooh, it smells good. Okay, so I'm going to move it in view so I can show you what to do. I'll try and zoom in. The next thing we do is a little bit like layering. You're going to take a slice of cheese. You're going to fit it inside. Then you'll take some chili
Some shimmy.
Spoon it over the cheese. Place your hot dog nice and snug in there.
Yeah.
And top with more chili. So this is how it works. So I'm gonna go through and do the other ones. Let's get this show on the road. My hot dogs are nice and coated. They're in there. Look at that. Now, I'm just gonna take a little bit of the parsley I have left over and just sprinkle a little bit over the top. And these are ready to bake. Alrighty, these are ready to go in. And we are gonna bake them at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes until the cheese is nice and melted and everything is golden brown. Let's get it in. I'm hungry. Oh my God. Perfect. Came out absolutely perfect. Look at that. Oh my God, they smell amazing. We are gonna let these cool just a minute. We're gonna dig into them. Alrighty. I'm just gonna take a knife. I'm gonna cut along. And plating is not going well for me today.
Yeah.
Usually it doesn't look like this, but I had a hard time. Plating is a no-go for me today. But I can still tell you, it's delicious just the same. So I've made this several times. That's never happened. Usually, they come out more like this. That one was just giving me a hard time. But, guys, this is the chili cheese dog boat. It's amazingly delicious. It's cheap. It's easy. And everybody's guaranteed to love it. Who doesn't love a good chili cheese dog? So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed as always. And if you did, like, subscribe. If you didn't, like, subscribe. Go Rams. Happy Super Bowl.
You look good, yeah. Tell them I want to play, yeah. So I see this is the post by the perfect. The link to the video will be in the description below. Go and check out and go back like if you like. And comment down below if you want to see more reaction like this one. And subscribe if you want to. And click the bell so you'll be notified below. And what? Bye.